Hi everybody. This is a little video about me, Michael Cuff. I'm definitely a work in progress. See, this is me. And this is me. And this guy over here is me. And that guy in the middle. Even the guy on the right is me at different times in my life. I've been a soldier. I'm a photographer. I'm a ranger with the National Park Service. And every once in a while, you might hear me on Tuesday mornings on 90.3 FM WESS radio. Yeah. I do a lot of different stuff. I like to stay busy. I'm a family man. There's my wife, my dad, my little ones. There's my wife again. Isn't she cute when she smiles? It's hard to talk about myself. I talk to people for a living being a park ranger, but when I have to talk about myself, it's a little difficult. Here's my wife again. We've been together this year 27 years. This picture in the center is a picture of us on the day we met. She told her mom I was the man she was going to marry, and she gets what she wants. For better or for worse, I should say. That's us on the right, and us at one of the drag shows in the local area that was really great. Dinner with the Divas, I highly recommend it. Let's see, what else is there? My hobbies. Being a photographer, I kind of fell into it. But I love taking pictures in nature. I love taking pictures all over the place, so that includes some pretty unusual people and some unusual locations. I love the outdoors, but you can also sometimes find me in the pit with a camera taking pictures of a band, or at a concert somewhere, or at a museum, or at Warped Tour, like that guy up in the right corner. That's about all there is to say about me. I don't do a lot, but what I do is fun and full of passion. This is me too. Well, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed.